This is MJ, and I'm wrapping up an awesome day of shooting. I got to put my drone in the air. I went by a cool sneaker store, checked out some tech gear shops, and also swung by the Golden One Center. So the day's been super epic, and I'm really excited to get home and edit. Most of you guys already know that Sac is the capital of California, so it's nice to be here. It's nice to soak in the sights and sounds of the city. I think I got some really awesome footage, so I'm super stoked about it. And this is MJ from MJ's Tech Talk. Make sure you like, subscribe, smash the like button if you're into that sort of thing, and just check out some of my videos. I keep saying, as I share it on a lot of my social media platforms, that these videos are only going to get better and better. Like, this channel is something that I've been wanting to start for a long time, and it just took me a while to really just jump into it. But this year, I'm on the West Coast. Everything's brand new for me, so I want to let people see the world as I see it, share some of these cool new experiences, and just have some fun. So it's something I can do by myself or something that I can do with friends. I think it'll be the makings of an awesome hobby to have this YouTube channel, create great content, and as I grow and study and hone my skills, my videos are only going to get better. I got some really cool new software, new tripods, new tech gear coming in, checking out lighting and essentials, so I just can't wait to just keep making this channel bigger and bigger. Every single subscriber is a milestone. Thanks, guys.